actually.
Okay. Okay. So, can you tell why the multiple inheritance is not supported in Java?
To save the diamond problem.
Okay. And what are the use of static keyword? What we can do with the static keyword in Java?
Static keyword is basically used whenever we want to use the use that what that attribute everywhere in the project with the same reference. Means we don't want uh, to make the new reference and every time. So in that case, we should use static.
Okay. I want to create a static class. So
Hmm.
how I going to create it?
Yeah, I think we can give the static class. I don't have seen any static keyword with the class. I think maybe in the inner class we can give the static keyword.
I have only single static class. I don't have nested classes.
Uh, Static class. I have not seen that.
Okay. So can we have an interface within a class
Interface within a class. No.
and class within interface?
Uh, Class within an interface. No, I have not seen.
Did you heard about map.entry?
Map.entry.
Yes.
Yeah, it is actually used to iterate the map.
Okay. And what is map here? Is it class or interface?
Map is a interface.
And what is entry?
Entry, I think it is also a interface.
Okay. So map.entry is what? We can have an interface within an interface, you mean to say.
Mm, yes. Okay. Yeah, we can have.
Okay. Fine. Any custom exceptions you have made?
Yeah. So we have created custom exceptions. By extending the exception class and also by extending the runtime exception class, depending on the requirement, like checked or unchecked, we are going to create.
Okay. And what is throwable?
Sorry,
What is throwable? Throwable.
throwable is the very topmost class of the exception. Like
Is it a class or interface?
throwable class, it is a class.
Okay. Okay. Tell me the solid principle.
So solid principle is the are the basic requirements or principles whenever for the project. Whenever we are going to create any project, we have to follow these. So I remember from the O, like open close system it should be. So open close means whenever we are trying to let's suppose I have created one class. Now it is project is created and successfully tested and it is running. Later we there are some new requirements. So those requirements are like that we have to create anything new. So we should our architecture is something how it should not affect the classes which we have created previously and tested perfectly, which are running fine. So we should not hit the and make any change on the existing successfully running classes. So that is what open closed. So other than that, we have something like for the D, maybe it is dependency related things, that proper dependency should be there, and it should be properly handled like that. But I'm not sure right now about the remaining ones.
Okay, okay. Okay, tell me the scenario where I would like to take thread dumps and where I would like to take the heap dumps.
Uh, I think whenever there is a whenever we want to take if there are problems related to data, so in that case we should take the heap dumps because it is related to memory. But if there are some issue with the threads or some code, then we should take the dumps of threads.
So, what kind of if there is out of memory error, what would I take? Heap dump or thread dump?
Out of memory. Out of memory. Uh, I think out of memory can be can happen because of both, like because of there are issues some memory heap, or there can be issues uh, from the threads too.
Okay.
Yeah.